Okay, lab 4. We have here the state diagram, machine state diagram. Then we are going to play with the values, the combination 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, or 1, 1. These two. So start, we go to start. Okay, set to 0. 1, 0. This is my my clock, my input. So 1 time. We have this. Second time, and the third time we need 1, 1. So works. Use it. This time 1, 1. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So let's say we do some other combinations like 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, nothing happens. So 0, 0, 0, nothing happens. 0, 0, 0, 1, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. Now let's say that we start with 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 time, the second time, and then third time, fourth time, fifth time, until I get the last combination. 1, 1 is turned on. Change my state. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much.